I only chase after one thing. Not men, not trends, and definitely not money. I'm a dream chaser, and I run. But when I run, sometimes society and this reality try and chase me down. It's like I'm the dream chaser and society is the me chaser, the Brit C chaser. Sometimes I wonder why the society try and chase me down. Why are they making it difficult for me to swim in my pool of dreams? I feel they want me to drown. I'm chasing after these dreams. I'm jumping over fences for these dreams. I have to catch them. I have to catch my dreams as if they were contagious. But society doesn't give a shit. That's why I fucking hate it. I hate the fucking system. And I hate the way they made it. Fuck a system.